This is a 200 period simple moving average, and it shows that the market is shifting to a bullish trend right at this price point, where the candles broke and closed above it. But if you look at the chart, you'll see that for over 6 days, the market had already been bullish. This just goes to show that the moving average is a lagging indicator. And not just lagging, it lags a lot. But what if there was an alternative indicator that could reduce this lag? Well, meet the zero lag moving average trend levels by Chart Prime. If I activate it and set it to the same 200 length as the simple moving average, you'll notice this indicator would have shown bullish signals right at this point. It does this by changing the cloud's color to a shade of green. Right here, you'll see a gradient with green at the bottom. Now compare this to where the moving average crossover happened, and you'll see a difference of 3 days and 17 hours. In this video, we're going to explore what the zero lag moving average trend levels indicator is and how you can use it to create zero lag buy and sell signals. Let's dive in. To follow along, here's what you need to do. Go to TradingView, which is the platform I'll be using. If you haven't signed up yet, there's a link in the video description. Next, load any trading security you like on any time frame, it doesn't matter. Then open the indicator search tab and type in zero lag moving average trend levels. Make sure to select the one created by Chart Prime. So what exactly is this indicator? The zero lag moving average trend levels is a technical analysis tool that helps you understand market trends better by combining two types of moving averages, the zero lag moving average and the exponential moving average. The zero lag moving average is a modified version designed to reduce lag, providing earlier signals for trend changes. Meanwhile, the exponential moving average is a standard moving average that gives more weight to recent price data. Combining these two creates earlier detections of market trend changes. The indicator consists of two lines, one at the top and one at the bottom. The top line is the zero lag moving average, and the bottom line is the exponential moving average. The area between these two lines is filled with a color gradient that shifts from blue for bearish trends to green for bullish trends. But what about these rectangular boxes? They're the support and resistance levels, appearing when the trend switches from bearish to bullish or vice versa. Like this one, a green support level is printed when the indicator transitions from bearish to bullish. Similarly, a blue resistance level appears when the trend flips from bullish to bearish. The indicator also shows up and down arrows whenever the price revisits these support or resistance levels. For example, here you can see a blue resistance level. The price dipped for a bit, then came back up to retest that level, prompting the indicator to print a blue downward arrow. This could signal a short position. And as you can see, that trade would have been profitable. On the flip side, when the trend turned bullish, a green support level appeared. Later, the price retested this level and an upward arrow was printed, signaling a possible long position. If you'd taken that trade, it also would have been profitable. Trading with this indicator isn't limited to the examples above. There are other ways to use it, which we'll cover shortly. But first, let's double click on it to see how customizable it is. You'll find the length setting, which determines the period for both the zero lag moving average and the exponential moving average. A shorter length makes the indicator more sensitive to price changes, while a longer length smooths out volatility. I'll set mine to 34. Next, we have the trend levels option, which lets you toggle the trend level boxes on or off. Here, you can change the colors for bullish and bearish trends. Personally, I'm not a fan of the default blue, so I'll change it to red. With this, green will indicate bullish momentum and red will represent bearish momentum. The style tab gives you several options to toggle on or off. I'll disable the first two plot options. Once you've made your changes, click OK. Order Crypto Arc, where dreams meet freedom. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy 0 fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. Besides identifying bullish and bearish trends, this indicator can also help detect momentum shifts. Here's how to take a look at this smooth downtrend. Toward the end, the zero lag moving average rises, causing the cloud to turn green partially. This is an early signal of a potential bullish reversal if you were trading the bearish momentum. Spotting this green color might prompt you to exit any short positions. The opposite holds in an uptrend. When the zero lag moving average starts dropping, the cloud turns red, signaling a possible bearish reversal. As you can see here, the price eventually drops after the signal. Looking to step into the world of trading? Look no further. Introducing FP Markets, your ultimate trading destination. With a stellar reputation since 2005, FP Markets stands as a beacon of trust in the financial world. Regulated and reliable, we're your gateway to success in CFD and Forex trading. Imagine accessing a comprehensive suite of trading products all from one single account. With FP Markets, it's not just a dream, it's your reality. FP Markets has transformed my trading experience. I can diversify my portfolio effortlessly. Their platform is intuitive and user-friendly, making trading a breeze. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your trading game. Click the link above or in the description below to sign up, join the FP Markets community, and start your journey to financial success today. FP Markets, where trading dreams become reality. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the zero lag moving average trend levels by Chart Prime. It's a powerful tool for reducing lag, visualizing momentum shifts, and spotting critical support and resistance levels. Check it out on TradingView. Just remember, this video isn't financial advice. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.